Have you ever run your Python program? Everything looked fine, then suddenly an error appeared and your program stopped. Don't worry, every Python beginner goes through this. The good news is Python has a simple way to handle errors. It's called try and except. Here's the idea. First, Python runs the code inside try. If everything works, great, the program keeps running. But what if something goes wrong? For example, the user is supposed to enter a number, but they type hello instead. Without try and except, your program crashes. But with try and except, Python catches the error. Then it runs the code inside except. Instead of showing a scary error message, you can display something friendly like, please enter a valid number, and your program keeps running. That's why almost every real Python program uses try and except, because users don't always do what we expect. In the next lesson, we'll take a deep dive into strings in Python.